Simple Play-Doh for kids. Do you know that playing Play-Doh is a good daily activity to use their hands and discover their creativeness? Are you excited? Me too! Let's watch and learn these simple steps that kids like me can follow. Let's start! We will prepare our ingredients. 1 cup flour, 1/2 cup salt, 1/4 cup of water, 1 tablespoon oil, and food coloring. First, we combine flour and salt in a bowl. Then add water and oil to the flour mixture. And mix using a spoon or spatula. Get the dough from the bowl. Knead with your hands until well mixed. Separate the dough into 4 portions. Add 4 or 5 drops of food coloring and knead till the color is well mixed. Add more drops if you want it darker. Do the same to other portions using different colors. Enjoy playing your Play-Doh! Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so you won't miss any of my other videos. Bye guys!